Hello, good morning. My name is Maxime Thifinau. I'm the 3D Design Product Manager. So I wanted to cover some points, technical points with you today, especially concerning our compatibilities with our products and Windows and Mac. So this is in order to guide you to use the best configuration as possible with 3D Design and the range of our products as DPimage, our rendering module. So as you can see on this slide, we are compatible with the Windows 10 Pro version and with Windows 11 Pro version. For 3D Design 10.2 and DPimage v2. So we still continue the technical support and the development of those two products, but we no longer provide maintenance and technical support for DPimage v1 and 3D Design v9 from the Windows 11. Concerning Mac, we still continue the maintenance on Intel chipset. So as you can see on the right, we have all the OSes we are compatible with. 3D Design v10.2 is still compatible with the last OS from Apple Monterey. Start from Mojave, we are still compatible with Catalina and Big Sur. But we decided to stop the maintenance and we are not compatible anymore with 3D Design v10 from Big Sur, v9 sorry, from Big Sur and Monterey. And this is the same for DPimage v1. Concerning the M1 chipset, we still have to validate the compatibility with our products. So we are still working on the entire compatibility. So we advise you to wait before investing in a new M1 hardware, and we'll come back to you in the beginning of next year to communicate on the compatibility with this new chipset. If you have any questions concerning the preconized configurations, you can send an email to the US support team. Maybe someone can put the address in the chat directly if you have any questions concerning the hardware. Do not forget to install, if you are a 3D Design user, do not forget to install the 10.2 from the 3ddesign.com/update page. And if you want to visit our preconized configuration, you have the QR code you can flash directly on the slide. And we have this page. I can show you the page with all the details concerning Windows with the recommended preconizations and the minimum preconizations for Windows and Apple. So if you have any doubts concerning the hardware you want to use for our solution, you can again send an email to our US support. So let's talk about our super action. To make it as simple as possible, we have developed for this new version 10 a new workbench that allows you to create your own features. So you can see here an example directly on the slide, which shows the efficiency of a super action. In example, I have to create sweeps on the curves you have. And I have, unfortunately, with the V9, for example, I had to create one by one the sweeps till I get the entire creation. Through the V10 and this incredible super action workbench, now you have the possibility to save and create your own process in creating a dedicated super action, which allows you in few clicks to get this object. And you don't have to repeat one by one the sweep, for example, the sweep feature on the curve to get the creation. This allows to avoid repetitive work. You can create your own process according to your habits. You can create dedicated stones, dedicated process with some steps you have to redo each time in your designs or collection, or if you have to set a stone, etc., etc. So with the QR code, and I will explain you something also concerning this video, you can have a training video that David, our 3D design expert, made with every details and all the explanations which concern the super action. So you can flash the QR code if you want to have a look on this training video, and also I will give you the link in the chat after if you want to watch it after this event. So this video explains everything concerning the super action, how to create super action in V10, and I hope you will enjoy this new incredible part in version 10. So what about the super action community? From this new workbench, we wanted to create a new project dedicated to a platform of exchange. Then all our 3D design users can benefit from each other's creations and ideas. So we have created a dedicated platform on the 3D design forum. Let me show you quickly this area. So you have to know that we have a dedicated 3D design forum with a huge community. More than 2,000 users are connected and registered on the 3D design forum. If you have questions, if you want to exchange, if you want to download the latest version of 3D design, if you are stuck with a creation, or if you want to have some help concerning a feature in the software. So with the super action library, we wanted to create something which allows our users to share and download dedicated super action. So everything is explained, how to install a super action if you are a 3D design user, where you have to copy them for PC and Mac. We have a dedicated super action created from David Swallow, for example. So for the moment, you can download them and install them to check and use these new features. And we explained also how to contribute to Super Actions community in sending us your files after you create it on your side, and if you want to share some files created in 3D Design V10. So all the explanations are given in this part. Let me show you some super actions that I received from our customers. I will start 3D Design V10. So after you watched the video from David, it will be more simple for you to understand how I use this new workbench you have in 3D Design. We have also a dedicated page which explains how to use let me show you. This is from the welcome page we have in our software. So this welcome page allows you to start with the software, see what we have as new tutorials for V10, how to set properly your graphic card settings, what's new with the software, the community. So this page is really helpful, and inside this page you have a dedicated page created for super actions and new features in V10. You have really helpful videos at the bottom of the page to create a simple super action, how to add properties, to modify, etc., etc. So if you watch those videos plus the training video from David, you will be comfortable in creating new super actions. And after that, if you want, you can share with us your files to be able to display them and share them with the other users. So let me show you some super actions I received from our users. So one which is quite interesting, I need to create a ring size and I need my rails from the ring rail builder, which is a really nice function in V10, which allows me to create the shape on the face view, on the side view. So I just have to create the curves, which will be the base of my ring. Then I select the ring rail builder and I go to my super action. So you can see that I have plenty of them. And this is the group, which is my super actions. So I just have to select the ring rail builder and I select that one, which is created from our users, Luc van der Broek, which is from Belgium. So you can see that we have quickly a ring with the possibility to change the properties. You can change the sections, you can change the material, and in few clicks you have this ring. So the target is that when you have to create this kind of ring and you don't want to recreate step by step the position of the sections, how are positioned the sections for the angle, for example, or how you want to open the ring. If you create this super action dedicated for your collection, and you know that you will often create this kind of ring shank, it can be really efficient for you. So from that, I have another super action. Imagine you have to prepare the ring for the casting. We have another super action which allows me to create the pin we have on the bottom to prepare the ring for the casting. So I just have to select and click on the super action, and automatically the software will create something which allows me to prepare the casting properly for the ring, and I don't have to create that one with all the steps we have in the tree like you see there, because everything is automatic. For sure, I can also change the some properties inside this super action. I can change the offset. If you want to have the length difference, you can change also. So this is, again, something created from our clients. So you can imagine all the possibilities we have with this new workbench and how it makes faster your creations and stronger the software through the thousands of new super actions we can imagine on this platform. So I let you, if you are 3Design users, I let you send everything, all the ideas, everything you created as a super action according to the details you have on the forum. You have the address where you have to send the super action. I show you again. Everything is explained there. And then we will upload the super actions directly in this area. Again, if you have some questions concerning the super action, and if you want more details, you can contact the US team, or you can ask your question directly in the chat box, and we will come back to you. Okay, last point. I wanted to finish and share with you our special Xmas action. We have created this year an advent calendar with a lot of nice surprises inside that will help you to improve your level on 3D design and discover tools you never used before, for example. So I invite you to visit the page and open the boxes every day during December. So you can again flash the QR code you have on the slide, and I will give you the link on the chat. So every day you will find new tutorials, 3D symbols, training videos, super action from this incredible calendar you have on this page. Let me show you. So today, let me show you what we got today. So yesterday was this video I was talking about concerning the super action. So if I open the first day in my calendar, I have this video from our expert David, which explains everything concerning the super actions. Today was the invitation concerning the event we are doing currently, and I'll let you open the box tomorrow and discover all the surprises we prepared for our users. I can give you directly the link in the chat. Voilà. Perfect. So that's all for me. I'll let David, our 3D design expert, continue with the comparison between version 9 and version 10. I would like to say thanks you for our special guest, and congratulations to all the US 3D design team for this great event. See you soon with 3D design, and again, thank you.